You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, and I hope you're ready for this one, because yes, there are quite a few different pronunciations that are correct. So let's go through the two British English pronunciations first, alright? So that's in British English. Diacetyl, diacetyl, makes sense. Diacetyl, diacetyl. Here is the phonetic spelling. Another one is diacetyl, alright? Diacetyl. So at the end, tile or tel. Diacetyl or diacetyl, alright? British English, diacetyl, diacetyl. Now, American English is slightly different. They say it either as diacetyl, diacetyl. The T is pronounced like a D in American English. It's a flap T. Diacetyl or diacetyl. Diacetyl, alright? So they introduce the dull pronunciation with a schwa sound. So, diacetyl, 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 or diacetyl is how to pronounce it, how you can pronounce it. Which one do you prefer? Which one do you use? Let us know in the comments. It'd be fascinating to hear. And where are you from? Let us know. It's so fascinating, pronunciation is. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.